Hey everyone, in today's Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sharpen blurry photos in Photoshop using 3 simple methods that work even if your image looks soft or slightly out of focus. These techniques are quick, beginner-friendly and can dramatically improve the clarity of your photos. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Photoshop guides. Let's jump in. First method is using Smart Sharpen, which is one of the best tools in Photoshop for fixing slightly blurry photos. Start by opening your image in Photoshop, then go to the top menu, click Filter, hover over, Sharpen and choose Smart Sharpen. A settings window will appear. Set the amount somewhere between 100 and 150%, then set the radius to around 1 to 2 pixels. This controls how strong the sharpening edges appear. Preview the image and adjust slightly if needed. Once it looks sharper, click OK. The second method uses the Camera Raw filter. Go to Filter, then choose Camera Raw filter. In the panel, find the sharpening slider and slowly increase it. After that, raise texture a little and add a small amount of clarity. These adjustments enhance detail and make the photo look clearer. The third method is the high pass sharpening technique. First, press Ctrl+ J to duplicate your layer. Then go to Filter, Other and select High Pass, set the radius between 1 and 2 pixels. Then change the blend mode to Overlay. This simple trick boosts edge contrast and makes the image appear much sharper. And that's how to sharpen blurry photos in Photoshop quickly. If this helped you, remember to like the video and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials.